Today we're solving multi-step inequalities. If we have to solve 7 plus 6x is greater than 19, we have to solve for x. That means that the first thing we have to do is take 7 to the other side by using inverse operation. The inverse of plus 7 is minus 7. What you do to one side, you do to the other. It means you're left with 6x on the left side. Your greater than inequality sign. Greater than 19 minus 7 is 12. So we're still solving for x. We haven't finished. If we want x to be by itself, we have to do the inverse operation, in this case division, divide by 6 on both sides. So we're left with x is greater than 2. Can we check our solution? If we are checking, we would start with our original inequality. That means 7 plus 6 times 2 should be greater than 19. Not times 2. We have to use a number greater than 2. So what number should I use? 3 or 4 or 5 or any number greater than 2. 7 plus 18 should be greater than 19. What's 7 plus 18? 25 is greater than 19. Is this true? That means we solved correctly. If we have 2 times t plus 2 minus 3t is greater than or equal to negative 1, and we need to solve for t. The first thing we have to do is use the distributive property so that after that we can combine our like terms on the left side of the inequality. So 2t, 2 times t would be 2t, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3t, greater than or equal to negative 1. Now we have to combine our like terms. 2t minus 3t, which equals negative t, plus 4 is greater than or equal to negative 1. We're solving for t, so we're going to begin by subtracting 4 to both sides. Negative t is greater than or equal to negative 5. Can we have a negative variable? We have to divide by negative 1. Anytime we're multiplying or dividing by a negative, what do we have to do with the inequality sign? We have to flip the inequality sign. So t is less than or equal to 5. 6z minus 15 is less than 4z plus 11. If we're solving for z, the first thing we have to do is take z to one side. I'm going to take the z to the left by subtracting 4c. What you do to one side, you do to the other. 2z minus 15 is less than 11. For solving for c, we have to take the minus 15 to the other side. So inverse operation is plus 15. What you do to one side, you do to the other. 2c is less than 26. Solving for z, have to divide by 2. What you do to one side, you do to the other. C is less than 13.